Welcome to Invent Medical's crash course on the appointment module. In this video, we'll walk through a general overview of the module, how to add and edit appointments, and more. Let's start with calendar views. Click through the View tab to display appointments in your preferred calendar format. Next, let's select a patient for scheduling. Click this button to open the patient selector. There are two ways to view the patient list. You can switch between them from here. You can either select an existing patient or add a new one by clicking this button. To search, click the search icon to find and filter patients by name or identification number. Let's create a quick appointment. Simply click and drag across your desired time slot. Make sure it is under the intended selected room. Just do a quick review of the details and then click Confirm to book the appointment. Great! Now you have quickly added an appointment. Now let's go over how to create a detailed appointment. Click the Add Appointment button to get started. First, the default appointment template is automatically selected to populate the appointment's details. You can change this or add new templates in the Configuration tab. Next, click the Room field to enter the appointment location. To add a procedure, click the New Procedure button. Then, click the Procedure field to select the medical procedure for this appointment. Now, click on the procedure you'd like to include in the appointment. To add billing details, click this tab to enter payment and insurance information. Next, select the applicable insurance policy from the drop-down field. Once you've filled in all the details, click Confirm to save the procedure. Back on the appointment form, use the start and end time fields to set its duration. Then, enter any internal notes or special instructions for staff in this field. You can also set the status by clicking the follow-up status field and selecting the appropriate option. Once everything looks good, click Confirm to save the appointment details. Great, the appointment is now scheduled. Now let's look at how to view and manage it. Hover over the appointment to see its key details. To change the follow-up status, click on the appointment, then update it from here. Let's move on to rescheduling. To reschedule an appointment, simply drag and drop it to a different time slot or location. Now let's adjust an appointment's duration. Drag the appointment card to the desired length. Once you confirm the new schedule length, a confirmation pop-up will appear. Next, let's pin an appointment. Click and drag it to the Pinned Appointments section. Once it's pinned, you can move it to another date. Start by clicking the desired date. Let's explore the available actions. Right-click on the appointment to view them. Here you can see the various actions available. For example, let's click Set Completed to mark the appointment as finished. You can also access a quick action menu. Right-click anywhere in the calendar to open it. From here, you can add a single appointment, a group appointment, or a time block. Let's try adding a time block. Select the time block type to categorize this reserved schedule block. You can add new time block types from the Configuration tab. Then, set the start and end time to configure when the time block takes place. Finally, click Confirm to create your new time block. Now let's look at changing the calendar view. Select any view type from the drop-down menu. You can add new views from the Configuration tab. For example, select Treatment to view only the treatment rooms. To go back to viewing all rooms, click View All. Let's take a quick look at the patient profile. From here, you can view the selected patient's profile. To minimize the profile, click the Unpin icon. You can also add an appointment or a time block directly from the Actions button. From here, you can also add recurring appointments and turn on Smart Time Adjust. Let's wrap up with Configuration and Lists. Click the Configuration tab to view and access system settings and schedule options. Click the List menu to view different appointment list options. Thanks for watching. To learn more, check out our documentation page or try the live demo on our website.